Dr Asutosh Jena, a leading parenting counselor and health coach in India. Dr Asutosh Jena is a doctor, health and life coach, motivational speaker, successful entrepreneur, and an author. Student Motivational Program and Happy Parenting Techniques are the flagship programs of Dr Asutosh Jena. He is the founder and managing director of Touching India Group. He has a vision of spreading of health, harmony, and happiness around the world. You are the creator and designer of your own life is the theme that Dr. Asutosh Jena believes and works on. He is on a mission to enrich the lives of students around every corner of India through his life-changing events. He has written fantastic title on Amazon called The Art of Positive Parenting, Understanding Child Psychology, Stages of Development, Common Parenting Issues and the Most Effective Way of Raising a Child in 21st Century, which is an art and power series of books. He says that giving birth to a child may provide you the privilege of being a parent, but parenting is not all about it. Parenting is a responsibility to raise a child and help the child developing the physical, mental, social, and economic well-being with the pace of the society. The book The Art of Positive Parenting will help parents to understand the child's psychology and take appropriate action to nurture them. Understand the stages of development and age-appropriate behaviors. Gain confidence to raise a child in this competitive world. Evaluate the pros and cons of a child's behavior and take necessary measures. Being a super parent of a super child by helping them develop super attitudes. Though parenting skill varies according to the social environment, customs and cultures, attitude and mindset of family members, this book will help you finding the right track for raising a child in 21st century. You can avail this masterpiece from the link given to the description.